How to keep your kids busy this summer. I have 10 really wonderful ideas for you. Number 1. Exercise. Daily 15 minutes of fun exercise can help children feel fresh and active for the whole day. Number 2. Reading. After breakfast, encourage your child to read anything they enjoy. Reading helps improve vocabulary, imagination, and concentration. Number 3. School assignment and revision time. Do a little bit of school homework or revise previous lessons. It can be topics like time, fractions, money, noun phrases, adjectives, or anything else, so that you don't forget everything when you go back to school. Number 4. Learn typing skill. Instead of playing video games on the computer, make your kids learn how to type. This skill will greatly help them in the future. Number 5. Make time for namaz. To strengthen their connection with Allah Ta'ala, please encourage your kids to at least pray 2 or 3 namaz every day. Number 6. Play outdoor. In the evening, let them play outdoors. It can be in your lawn, terrace, or rooftop to get some fresh air. Number 7. Helping at home. Let your child help you with small house chores like washing vegetables, cleaning the tables, or just putting things back in the right place. Number 8. Painting. Drawing and painting are the best tools to increase imagination and creativity in your child. Number 9. Quran lesson. Spend 30 minutes daily with the Holy Quran. It is the best practice to learn and remember your Islamic teachings. Number 10. Family time. At the end of the day, sit together with your family to spend good quality time. Thanks for watching.